Hello everyone, myself Man Patel, and today we are going to solve LeetCode question number 3612, process string with a special operation, part 1. It is a medium level question, so let's understand the question first. Here we are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters and some special characters like multiplication sign, hashtag, and modulus sign. So we have to build a new string named result by processing the given string according to the following rules from left to right. The rules are: if letter is lowercase English letter, we have to append it to the resultant string. If the string in if a string is a star in which its star is included in the string, we have to remove the last character from the result if it is exist. If we get a hashtag, we have to duplicate the current result and append it to itself only. And if we get a modular sign, we have to reverse the current result. And after this following rules, we have to return the final result string after processing all the characters in S. So here you can see in example 1, we are given an input string A hashtag B modular star. So the output will be B because uh, first when we are going to iterate a loop, first we will get a lowercase letter, so we will append into our resultant string. Then we get a hashtag. In hashtag we have to duplicate the resultant string, so we have right here 2 times to A. And then we got B. Then if it next character is a B, so we have to append it in the resultant string. The next is modulus, and we have to reverse the result, means BAA. And at last we have got a star, means we have to remove the last character, means we have to remove one A from the resultant string. So the final output of this is a BA. Here the second example is also given. So I am going to write this code in CPP language. So my approach for writing this approach is to we are going to take a empty string. We will iterate a for loop, and we will check the condition, and after the for loop gets over, we will simply return the resultant string. So first of all, I am going to write here, I am going to declare here an empty string uh, st is equals to space empty. So this string will act like a stack to build the final result. Now I'm going to iterate a for loop, for ch, which will travel to which will traverse each character of the input string. Then we will add here if condition. If ch greater than equal to a and ch less than equals to z, means this if condition is just simply checking that the character is lowercase or not, and if it is lowercase, then we will simply push it into our string. So we will use an inbuilt method pushback. So this method will push the English lowercase letter into the string. After this, we will write else if condition, in which we are going to check that if a character is star or not. If character is star, then we are given that we have to remove the last character from result if it is exist. So in else if condition, I am going to write here another if condition. If a string, if our resultant string is not empty, then we will simply remove the last character. Means I am going to write an inbuilt method st.popback. This popback will remove the last character from the string as it is mentioned in the condition. The next condition will be another else if, in which we will check that if character is hashtag or not. If character is hashtag, then we are given that we have to duplicate the current resultant string and append it to itself. So we are going to write st plus equals to st. This will append the this will take a this will duplicate the value and append it in a resultant string. The last condition, another else if, in which if the character is modulus, means divisible, the divide sign, then we have to reverse the current resultant string. So we will write here inbuilt method reverse st.begin st.end. This will reverse the resultant string, and after this for loop gets over, we will simply return the resultant string. So this is the code. Now let's run the code. So as you can see, the word test cases that are being added here is successfully passed. So now let's submit the code. As you can see, the code is successfully submitted, and the runtime of this code is 2 ms, and I have solved this question in O of n time complexity. Thank you everyone.